You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to learn how to solve linear system of equations by elimination method. We try to eliminate x or y by multiplying both or one equation by some number and then by adding or subtracting these equations from each other. Sometimes the multiplication with the number is not required for any equation if the coefficients of x or y are equal. So our given equations of this question are x minus y is equal to minus 1. Let us call this equation number 1, and then 2x minus y is equal to 0, and let us call this equation number 2. Here we can see that y has no coefficient. When there is no coefficient, it means it is 1. So in both the cases it is same. We can see minus y is there in both the equations. So we don't need to multiply these equations with any number, and without multiplying with any number we can simply subtract these equations from each other, because coefficient of y is same. So we subtract. So when we subtract, the signs reverse. X minus 2x is equal to minus x. Y cancels with y, and minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. When we multiply both sides by 1, we get x is equal to 1. Okay, now by substituting the value of x in equation number 1, we get our equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to minus 1. Since x is equal to 1, we write it like this. So minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So minus y is equal to minus 2, and when we multiply both sides by minus 1, y will be equal to 2. So our solution set in this case is x is minus 1 and y is 2. Sorry, x is also 1, it's not minus 1. X is 1 and y is 2. Get the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.